Lowe's is transforming communities all across America, and we're happy to have them right here in Baltimore. My name is Calais Campbell, defensive end, Baltimore Ravens. We have the Lowe's home team here today, along with United Way. We're here today to help create a green space for the Allen A.M.E. Church, just to uplift the community. Community is all about having a safe place to spend time. I feel like this would be a great place to make that happen.
Green space is vital to the animals, to nature itself. It brings general well-being to our community, and now they can feel better and feel safer about themselves.
Growing up, I learned that giving back was very important. I was taught that as much as giving, much is required. It's our duty as human beings to help our neighbors, help people around us. I'm happy to be a part of this, and I feel like this is right on par for everything that I believe in. I'm Calais Campbell, and I'm part of the Lowe's Home Team. Check out Lowe's.com/home team to learn how you can make a difference in your community.